Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your profile on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and update your profile on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. And then there's multiple ways you could actually updating your profile. So you can click on profile and then click on edit profile in the top right hand corner. And then this is where you could actually change your first name and your last name and then click on save. Additionally, you could also click on settings and then scroll down. And underneath account settings, you can click on manage account. And this is where you could actually change your phone number, email, first name, and last name as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your profile on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.